In this video, I'll guide you through how to disable big picture mode on Steam. If you've ever found yourself accidentally launching Steam in big picture mode, or if you simply prefer the regular desktop interface, this tutorial will help you easily switch back. Big picture mode can be really handy for those using Steam on a TV or with a controller, but for desktop users, it might not be the most efficient way to navigate. So if you're ready to make that switch, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Steam app on your computer. Now, if you're not sure where to find it, you can usually locate it in your Start menu or by using the search function on your operating system. Once you have the app open, you'll notice the interface automatically launches into big picture mode if it's set that way. But don't worry, we'll be out of it soon. Next, you need to navigate to the menu. This might sound a bit tricky if you're used to the desktop version of Steam, but in big picture mode, the menu you're looking for is located at the bottom left of your screen. You'll see a few icons here, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with them if you haven't already. Once you've found the menu icon, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a few options for you. Among these options, you'll want to select power. Now, this might seem a bit counterintuitive at first because you're not actually shutting down Steam or your computer, but instead we are looking to exit a particular mode within Steam. After selecting power, you should see an option that says exit big picture mode. Go ahead and click on that. This simple action will switch your Steam interface back to the regular desktop mode that you're used to. Once you've done this, you should notice the familiar layout of the Steam client reappear on your screen. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to disable big picture mode on Steam. Now you can enjoy navigating through your games and the Steam store in the standard interface. If you ever want to return to big picture mode, it's just as easy to switch back by clicking the big picture mode icon in the top right corner of the Steam client. Remember, the mode you choose depends entirely on your personal preference and how you're using Steam, whether on a desktop, laptop, or TV setup. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through disabling big picture mode. If you found this video useful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.